So, food review. Gulay, kanin, and lechong kawali with sili. Daming seed ng sili, oh. Oops. Daming seed. Tingnan natin ang crunchiness. Very good. So this is lunch. Kaninang umaga, my traditional way. Pag marating ako rito, kumakain ako sa Chowking. So I had chow fan breakfast with egg saka mami. Yung siopaw, mas gusto ko yung siopaw sa 7-Eleven, so kumain din ako nun. Baba ng US dollars, 55.80. For sure, makahang itong sili. I heard they're good for the eyes. Sobrang init sa labas. So I thought it's gonna take me all day to do my errands, kaso natapos na ng 1 o'clock. So punta ako ng market. Naglakad lang. And then I went to a cafeteria to buy this. How much is this? 1, 2, 3, $4, $5. That's with a drink, iced tea. Okay.